Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing the giveaway, and I'm going to be letting you guys know what I'm going to be giving away and how you can win my giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a wig making kit to my two faithful viewers or subscribers. And what really prompted me in doing this giveaway was because I got so much positive feedback on my last wig video, and you guys have been asking me where I got the wig cap from. And because I live in Canada, and yeah, I don't know where you can get it from if you're in the US, if you're in Nigeria, or wherever you are watching from. So I decided by myself to say thank you to you guys for watching, for sharing, to do like a wig making kit giveaway. So I'm going to be choosing two winners for this giveaway. The first winner is going to be getting a mannequin head, the same wig cap that I used on that video, a ventilating hook, a crochet hook, wig clips. This is for you to secure the wig when you're done, and 3 bundles of expression hair. And one more thing for my first winner, pin. So the first winner is going to be getting about 4 or 5 products. So it's going to have everything in it that you need. And the second winner is going to be having a wig cap, a ventilating hook, a crochet hook, and wig clips. So that is going to be for my two winners. So this is what you have to do in order for you to win this giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to turn on the notification bar, leave a comment down below, let me know what you're going to be doing with this wig cap. And yeah, that is one of the things you have to do. Also follow me on my Instagram, go on my Instagram page, tag 3 of your friends, and yeah, that is how you're going to be able to win. And I'm going to be choosing the winners of this giveaway on May the 25th, which is on a Saturday, and I'm going to be letting you guys know who is the winner of this giveaway, the 2 winners of this giveaway. So that is all about it, guys. If you did not win, I have more and more giveaway coming. I have so many products here that I went to buy today thanks to the beauty supply store, and they were able to give me a lot of like wig cap and other stuff that I can actually give to you guys. And I'm going to be doing that after this very giveaway. And yes, I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading another wig tutorial soon. I hope it's coming this Sunday or the next Sunday. I hope this Sunday because it's almost done, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye and good luck, and thank you so much guys for the last wig tutorial. It's amazing. It's almost 136,000 views within a week. That was amazing, guys. Thank you so much for sharing, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.